So, got a Jazz with a K20 in it, for anyone that doesn't know, and I had an exhaust made 3-inch from a mate Sam at Downforce Fabrication. Check him out. And while it was under there, it was quite apparent that the Jazz was absolutely disgustingly crusty, and anyone with a Jazz will know that the lack of Honda undersealing from factory is absolutely atrocious. Any Honda, I guess, really, because they're all the same. You might be able to hear in the background, that is my friend James. He's got a dry ice blasting business that he's just set up called Evolution Dry Ice here in Grimsby. So I've just finished work, driven up here to come and see him. Mate Dave, dropped off the Jazz with him this morning or this afternoon, and he started working his magic on it already. He's gonna do the whole underneath of the car. I'm not sure about the engine, he's not said really, but I think he's gonna go to town on it. So it might be the cleanest Jazz underneath in the country really, other than ones that have been fully blasted and redone. But I'll put some pictures up because I didn't have a chance to get here after work before he started. So I'll put some pictures up of what it looks like underneath before he starts, and then I'll try and do some videographer magic crap. It might turn out shit, so if it's shit, just say it's shit in the comments. But I'll do some videographer stuff and try and get a bit of footage of him, put some music over it and that, and yeah, see how it goes. But yeah, I'll put all his details in the description box. Probably put a tag or something here for his Instagram so you can see it, in his YouTube channel. So I think he's going to record some stuff on YouTube. But yeah, let's get to it. Right, so James has kindly turned the dry ice blaster off so I can get a quick view underneath and show you guys. So we've took the suspension out, or the rear shocks, so the beam comes down, bit better access. As you can see underneath here, it is minging. But to be fair, James has told me that it's not the worst he's seen, and it looks just like surface crust, and he reckons it'll come up quite well. So you can see all the brackets. It looks bad, but it's literally just crust and it's solid, which I'm pleased about. So that's all good. And then yeah, here we go, all the way down to the front subframe. That's a lovely exhaust. But yeah, oh, and he's noticed a nice oil leak for me to sort out, so that'll get sorted. But yeah, other than that, we'll see that James has worked his magic, because I'll be coming back up here in a few days, help button some stuff up and maybe take another little video. But yeah, that's the current state of it. There's James. Woo. And then yeah, I'll take a video and show you guys what it looks like. So James just told me that this is he's had a look over the car, and this is one of the worst areas of the car. So when he blasts, it's going to get loud, so I'll stop speaking and I'll put some shit rap music on or something. Here we go.
6 hours later.
Right guys, so end of the first evening, James is going to crack on. I've got a couple of hours drive home now from Grimsby back down to mine, so I'm going to leave him to it. He's going to work over it on the weekend, and then into the start of next week I'm going to come down and give him a hand reinstalling the rear suspension and stuff, and then I can give you guys an update and then see how it looks basically. But yeah, I know it's not a miracle machine, it doesn't get rid of rust, it blasts it away as much as it can, so I'm not expecting it to be absolutely immaculate showroom condition underneath. It's just going to be a lot better than it was, so we will update you guys when I come back on Wednesday.